Mark Lavoie here for Advanced Window Systems, family owned and operated for over 40 years. Today we're going to talk about window efficiency, and we're going to show you 3 types of glass, and we're going to find out which glass is most efficient for your home. So here is the 3 panes of glass that we're going to be testing today. First, we have a single pane glass. The second is going to be a double pane, and the last one is going to be a triple pane glass. And the way that we're going to test the efficiency and show the heat loss through the glass is we're going to use this heat lamp. So the heat lamp, let's say, is going to represent your home, and you're heating your house, let's say, inside. And on the other side of the glass, we're going to use a thermal imagery camera. Now, a thermal imagery camera, what it does is it measures the amount of heat. And when you look at the picture, you'll see red is a lot of heat loss, whereas blue is no heat loss. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with the single pane. Let's see what kind of heat loss we get through this. Oh wow, look at the heat loss through it. So you see the red in the picture? The red in the picture, that's a lot of heat loss. Imagine if you're heating your house inside during the wintertime, and look at the amount of heat just pouring out to the exterior. You can imagine high cost on heating bills, and your house feels pretty cold. So let's check out double pane. So here's our double pane insulated glass. We're going to put that down. Ooh, and as you see, you still have quite a bit of heat loss through that glass as well. Not have the effect that we were hoping to have. But let's check the third and last pane of glass, which is the triple pane insulated glass. Okay, there we go. Look at that difference. Wow, that's huge. You can see there's no red in there. Obviously, no heat is transferring through whatsoever. It's actually staying blue. That's impressive. So there you have it, guys. When it comes down to which glass or what glass is efficient and is going to make a major impact in my efficiency in my home, you can see between the single, double, and the triple obviously has the greatest impact. So if you have any other questions, call Advanced Window Systems and make sure to like and subscribe.